Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I get to share with you an unboxing for the Love from Lizi January 2019 card kit. Now Lizi contacted me and asked me if I'd like to be a guest designer this month, and I was so excited. I was on board all the way. I love Love from Lizi kits. So this kit did sell out, but I do want to do an unboxing because I'm going to be doing 10 cards with this kit. And in case you're interested, Lizi's kits are always packed full, and this is a great example of what they're usually typically like, but just different themed. So let's take a look. Starting with the cardstock, you get a piece of black cardstock, and then 5 sheets of heavy-duty white cardstock that are alcohol marker and Copic friendly. You also get a sheet of a matte gold specialty cardstock, and it's a full size. It's 8.5 by 11. Next, you get some 8 by 8 pattern papers, and you get 12 of these. They're single-sided, and they're filled with bright, cheery colors. I don't know about you guys, but we've been having some dreary days over here, so bright colors are super fun and very cheery. So you get 12 in total. And you also, in this kit, get 6 by 6 papers. Now these are the exact same patterns as the 8 by 8, only they are scaled down to a smaller size. So nice little option here, and you get the same 12. They are single-sided also. Okay, so 24 sheets of pattern paper. Next, you get a sticker sheet that coordinates with them. The sticker sheet has glitter accents and fun sentiments. So this is really nice. Also included are some glitter alpha stickers. And there's plenty of letters to create your own custom sentiments. And these have, glitter accents too, which is nice. Okay, also you get some peel-offs. If you're new to my channel and don't know what the peel-offs are stickers that are they're like this are really glittery, but the glitter does not shed. It's contained inside the peel-off. But they are great for adding accents to your projects or cards, and also great for adding borders. But you get 2 sheets this month. One has a holographic, the other is a yellow. Now for the stamp set, it's a 4x6 stamp set. And it has fun sentiments on here. You get a cloud, and then you get some accents to go with the cloud. Also included are your dies. This month you get a pot of gold and some coins. And I believe the cloud die coordinates with your stamp set, so you could cut out your cloud after you stamp it. Let's see. Yes, it will cut it out beautifully. And then this little piece, I believe, is to create a rainbow. I'm not quite sure on the little piece, but we will find out when I make my 10 cards. So those are your dies. Also included is a 4x4 stencil. Now this stencil is super duper neat. It has different patterns on each one of the 4 edges. I'm going to actually take one of my blending tools that already have ink on them, and I'm going to show you what they look like. This creates a real fun cloud. Perfect. And then this one creates a upside down scallop border edge. Super fun. And if you flip it around once more, you'll create another cloud edge that's different from the other one. Isn't that so pretty? And then on the 4th edge, you get a regular scallop edge. So super neat stencil. And then on the inside, you get a whole bunch of clouds that you can layer together to create a wonderful scene. And I'm going to layer 3 together, and of course I used the wrong colors, but I just wanted to show you basically what this does. So that's your stencil in this month's kit. Now also is your second goodie bag. I call this the bells and whistles bag. So you get a bottle of Nouveau glitter drops. These are called Yellow Bird, and it's a real pretty yellow. And I don't think the camera's picking it up, but it has a real pretty iridescence glitter to them. Real pretty. And they coordinate your papers beautifully. Next you get a bag of sequins, and these are all different sizes of iridescent sequins, which is so nice. And this is a sample bag. You also get some gems and pearls. And you get rainbow color in the gems, and then rainbow color in the pearls. So this is going to be fun. Every color you can imagine, and it coordinates with the papers just lovely. Also included are 2 little itty bitty envelopes that have foam adhesive on the back. There's a score line on top where you just fold over your envelope, and you could tuck a little letter in there, which is cute. You also get 2 wood veneer hearts. One says with love, the other one is blank. And then you get a happy birthday wood veneer that has a red front with glitter on top, and it won't shed. Next you get 4 tags. These tags coordinate with the papers beautifully. Now we get to take a look at, well, these are chipboard photo frames, and you get 4 of them. They're heavy duty, which is nice. Now here's the ribbon. This is a happy birthday ribbon. You get some rainbow rickrack. This is so pretty, and it's on the larger side, which is nice. So you get some of this. You get some white ribbon with gold edging, and then you also get some black and white ribbon on the thicker side. So this is everything in Love from Lizi kit. Keep a lookout for the 10 cards 1 kit I'll be making with this kit. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. If you have any questions, please, I'll do my best to answer them. And then links to Lizi's shop in case you're interested and want to see more about the kits. Even though this did sell out, I'll leave a link down below for you. But have a wonderful day, and we'll see you again soon.